What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yep, you guys, we're over here by the cookies, and I just want to take you guys through some of the food aisles to see what we have that might be new for the week. You have to take your time. You have to just stand on the aisle and look at everything. Fruit-filled biscuits. 5 to a pack. I think those might be new. We have some sugar-free butter cookies, 7 ounces. I think those are new as well. We are right under the air conditioning. Ooh, Hawaiian tropical fruit double bubble. I think these would be really fun to put on the wax melt burner. You guys know what I'm up to over on TikTok. Melting things, cooking things, putting things on the wax melt burner. I am always looking for fun things to melt and cook and destroy and experiment with. The sweet tart rope bites. Those sound good. If you guys are into Ibotta, check Ibotta. I feel like we have a sweet tart rope deal for Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's the bites or not though. The Ooze Chew ropes, 3 ounces. The party mix. We have corn chips, nacho flavored tortilla chips, fried cheese curls, and pretzels. Doesn't expire until August 21st. The Happy Cherries. These are new this week. The marshmallow cars. So cute. And we also have these little ones. Cookies and cream kisses. It's not too hot today, so if I want to buy chocolate, today would be my chance. Fruit and yogurt by Welch's. Okay, let's go to the next aisle. We have brown rice. Do we have white rice? I think we just have brown rice this week. I'll get a couple of those. Mac and cheese. The vegan sesame ginger. I'm not seeing any more of these. This is the Loma Linda. Maybe we have some more down here. Now, I saw these in my other store. These are the Hawaiian bowls. These are all vegan. These are all plant-based. 15 grams of sugar, no trans fat, 360 calories, 13 grams of protein. I kind of want to try some of these. Kind of curious. Maybe I'll get a few of them and let you guys know. I'll get 4 of them. I'm kind of interested in finding more of these. Tuno sesame ginger. This is a seafood alternative. They're calling it tuno, so it's going to be like a fish. Maybe I'll get it. I'm really surprised this is still here. The giant cookie kit makes 1 giant cookie. We had another kit here and those went for like $4 elsewhere. I think they were spring or Easter themed though. I'm not seeing them anymore. It was another Betty Crocker kit. The Dove peanut butter milk chocolate is still here. That's a pudding and pie filling. Pink salmon, skinless and boneless with a spoon. Nice. Little spoon. Feels sturdy and nice. We have sardines, we have dark chicken, we have tuna, we have white turkey. We don't always see our turkeys and chickens and things like that. It's been a minute since I bought one of these. This is the only place I buy them at. A1 thick and hearty steak sauce, 5 ounces. Spicy Thai chili. My other store had a whole end cap of nothing but tunas and things like that. This one, the microwavable Thai green curry, wild tuna, rice, green chili, lime juice, coconut milk, and lemongrass. 160 calories for the pouch, 2 grams of saturated fat, 3 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of protein. Olives. Oh, I need to get some olives today. Dollar Tree is the cheapest place for olives. We have apple bits this week, and if you guys were interested in the caramel macchiato Dunkin' cereal, my kids said it's really good. It smells like a cross between chocolate and coffee. And look, we have one right here. I'll get them one more. And it looks like the shelf stable creamers are still here and the nutritional shakes, but these do have a lot of sugar. If you're on Weight Watchers, those aren't the ones that you're looking for. We have lemon iced tea, the sparkling ice mountains in lime and triple berry. For the last 2 weeks, I've been seeing quarter and 50-cent freezer items. Lunch meats. There were even some nuggets a couple weeks ago that were on clearance. But I'm not seeing them this week. I think I want to get some of these waffles. My husband really likes them. Ooh, I see more new stuff, you guys. Look at this. We have super smoothies with 5 grams of sugar and protein by Minute Maid. Those are definitely new. Oh, and some of the protein shakes are still here. Now these are the ones that you want to get if you're doing Weight Watchers. These are just going to be 2 points each. 2 points each, you guys, and you can't get them anywhere cheaper than here. Like, this is the place. I'm always buying these. Always buying them whenever I see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll get a week's worth because I usually have them for lunch every day. Well, hey you guys, that's it for this video. Definitely come back and join me in the very next one. It is so much fun to come to Dollar Tree every single week to find the new items, the new name brand items. We have tons of cute little tech cases this week. These are so cute. I love putting my earbuds in these. You can put other small things in here if you want, but they are so cute. Look, you guys, we have so many to choose from. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.